Hi, everyone. My name is Mr. Brandon, and I'm excited to be meeting all of you. I teach American history, history of war through media, and global issues here at Fairfield Union High School. I graduated college from Ohio University and have been teaching for 8 years, 4 of those here at Fairfield Union. I'm married and have one son who is constantly on the go, so I really don't get much time off. We'll be utilizing Google Classroom and VLA in all of my classes, with Google Classroom being the main component and launching point. All syllabi, class materials list, and rules are already posted there under the classroom documents and materials topic. Our American history class will cover all topics from Enlightenment thinkers to current events taking place. Our history of war through media class will cover all things war, from the Revolutionary War to our war on terror. Our global issues class will be a current events class while also looking at how the United States fits into the global world and how other countries view us. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks for watching, welcome back, and I can't wait to see you.